Hello everyone and welcome to this presentations. So today I'll be discussing AI-driven cybersecurity risk management with a focus on a strategic framework for mitigating adversarial AI threats. As organizations increasing the adoptions of AI, that is artificial intelligence across the multiple functions, the security risk associated with the AI system are also growing day by day. So, in these sessions, I will walk you through the challenges, the evidence behind these risks, and structured solutions that organizations can apply to secure their artificial intelligence ecosystem. So, moving to the introductions part, as the AI adoptions is accelerating across all the enterprise sectors, it improves efficiency, support automations, and enables the new decision-making capabilities. But the same technology also introduces the cyber vulnerabilities that traditional security tools cannot effectively detect or control to the cyber attacks. Adversarial AI technique like the data manipulations, model interference, or synthetic content generations. It also creates the risks that are fundamentally different from the classical cyber attacks. As these presentations provide a strategic evidence based on the framework for addressing these modern risks using the strong governance, advanced monitoring, and the workforce development. So moving to the problem definitions of the AI used in new businesses, as the many businesses implement the AI in their system, like they use the fraud detections system in their business, like analytics, cyber security monitoring, and the automations for decision making, like for if they want the future predictions, they are going to use the artificial intelligence to predict either what type of the business is going to give the profit or loss, whatever it could be, but they are going for the making the decision for the business. However, like the attackers are becoming more sophisticated in how they can actually exploit the artificial intelligence. Some common adversarial technique includes like some of the attackers try the model poisoning, like injecting the harmful or misleading data onto the systems so that they can actually gain the access of the business and they can harm the business in their way. Also, like the fake, so nowadays it is like bulls in the deepfake videos. Normally the people or the attacker actually generate the realistic fake audio and the video, which is like real videos, but actually the contents they are created with the artificial intelligence, which are actually not the true. Also, the AI generated phishing attacks, like the attackers use the automated systems and some personalized attack, like sending the personalized emails to the employee to gain the access actually from the systems. Also, the data manipulations, like as I said, the attackers actually altered the training or the real-time data. When the user entered the data into the system, actually they try to change the data on the database also. So model extractions, stealing or recreating the AI models, like some of the attackers try to imitate, try to copy actually the already artificial models which has created by the original peoples. These threats are becoming more frequent and more advanced every year. As the development in AI, it is getting more advanced and deeper and deeper. More techniques are used for the for attacking to the business that are also actually impacting to the business. There are also the internal organizations challenges, like AI development often spans multiple teams leading to the fragmented accountability. Actually, the new regulations of the European Union, that is AI Act, and the NIST AIRMF require the stronger governance and the transparency. Actually, the European government, European Union have actually set the rules so that you have to declare every type of the informations to the user, how the data is going to use by the AI or the AI models. So a clear skill gap exists between the cybersecurity professionals and the data scientists, making the coordinations difficult. Actually, due to the less knowledge of the cybersecurity and the AI models between these cybersecurity and the data scientists, they are not able to actually find the main point how the actually attackers are being attacking to the system or the businesses. These factors make it harder to manage AI risk effectively. So actually the problem is strategically significant. So adversarial AI is not just a technique issues, it is an enterprise-wide challenges. Like every business have to face the AI threats. Okay, so actually those AI threats actually impact to the IT operations, risk and the compliances, and the government governance and the business continuity. Actually, when the attackers attacks to the business is going to stop for some certain time until the business are going to recover. The cybersecurity team are going to recover to the business. So the business continuity will be also impacted by the attack. Organizations must be invested in a secure machine learning pipelines, monitoring tools, and the formal governance structures. So the actually the organizations should also invest a lot of money and the system to make their pipeline clear and understandable for the all user of the business, like the cyber security team or the data management team, anyone. The workforce also need upskilling in the adversarials, ML, machine language, and the AI security across industry. Evidence shows that adversarial attacks are rising sharply, leading to the real-world financial losses, especially from the deepfake fraud and the AI-generated phishing attack. This is the common nowadays. So according to the Gartner, 30% of the AI incident by 2025 will involve adversarial attacks. As in the chart it is already shown that the projections increased from 10% in 2021 to nearly 30% in 2025. So it is rapid growth in the AI systems and the attack. So this trend highlights the urgent need for the stronger AI specific security measures. Of course, the increment shows the clear pictures that the AI security system must be trained to the team so that the business operations will not be impacted. Moreover, companies like IBM 2024 in 2024 found a breaches data breaches which is actually caused by the AI specific control. Similarly to the Microsoft in 2022 documented a real adversarial attacks on the AI system across multiple industries. MIT and Stanford research shows that adversarial manipulations can cause AI misclarifications rate of over 90%. Financial cases studies reveals increasing the losses due to the AI generated phishing and the deepfake fraud. In overall, the data shows that adversarial AI is already harming the organizations globally. To address these challenges, this project proposed the AI security resilience and the governance framework. It is holistic, multi-layered solutions combining. So AI threat detection and response platform, AI security governance and the risk management workforce, AI cybersecurity training, collaborations. So this framework actually protect the enterprises and the AI system both operationally and strategically. By using this all technique, they can actually operate the business in a very effective way. So components breakdowns, as I said, it includes the behavioral monitoring, pipeline validations, AI driven automations, containment for potential threats, and these measures ensure attacker can detect and contain early. AI security governments, actually this layer includes this AI specific registers, security by design principles, AI lifecycle auditing, regulatory alignment, strong governments creates the accountability actually and prevents the fragmented decision making. So workforce development is also like training to the team employees about the deepfake phishing and other cyber security parts so that they're going to know actually what type of attack are being done. So the threat intelligence integrations, AI specific threats, participations in a different programs so that they can understand about the logic and the impacts that are going to happen to the organizations. The Kane chart actually explains the 12-month phases, which includes the risk assessment, governance development, platform designs, deployment, workforce training, threat intelligence, final testing and integrations. The timeline ensures a structured rollout that aligns with the organization's capacity and the resources. So after implementing these all the framework, organizations need a strong leadership, a sponsorship, investment in a secure infra. Of course, they have to invest a lot of money in the AI. Also to train their employee by upskilling and reskilling to the AI techniques and the things. So there are actually the challenges also. Potential obstacles includes like the resistance to the policy changes every time the you or the other organizations change the policy related to the AI, so they have to change every time and they have to act according to the policies of the government. High cost in advance AI security tools. Surveillance is like recognizing the challenges helps to prepare a realistic and sustainable implementations. So overall, AI-driven cyber threats are evolving rapidly and cannot be effectively addressed with a traditional security method. The AISRGF framework provides the structure and evidence-based solutions that combines governance, strong detection techniques, workforce development, and intelligence. By adopting actually this all type of the frameworks, the organizations can build a long-term resilience against the AI and remains the secure in an increasingly AI-enabled world. So thank you for understanding about my project.